How to fix the clear history and website data is grayed out on your iPhone. So if you're unable to clear your history and website data, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now, the very first thing we need to do is go and click on Settings and then scroll down the page and click on Screen Time. Now scroll down again to Content and Privacy Restrictions and go and click on this. Make sure the content and privacy restrictions are turned off and disabled at the very top of this page. Now once you've done this, you can head back over to your settings page, scroll right down to the bottom and click on Apps. You can then scroll down again until you see Safari and go and click on it from the list. You can then scroll down to Clear History and Website Data, and you can see if you can now go and select this. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. So head back over to the main settings page. You can then click on your profile name at the top of this screen and click on iCloud. Next to Save to iCloud, click on See All, and then you'll need to scroll down to Safari and go and turn this off. You can then press delete from my iPhone, and once you've done this, head back over to settings, scroll down to apps. You can then head back down to Safari and click on this, and you should now be able to clear your history and website data, and then you can press clear history.